Okay friends, it's time to get started on our engine map sensor. Now first, let's go ahead and locate it. That's going to be located on this bracket right underneath your air filter housing. So to be able to access this easiest, we're going to go ahead and take these wing nuts right off of here so we can get this out of the way. Inspect your air filter, set it aside. Now we can grab onto this lower aspect, carefully lift it up, and slide it towards the front of the vehicle. Now with that out of the way, you have a nice clear view of that map sensor. Now to get this off of the bracket, I'm just going to come right inside this tab hole right here with a small pocket screwdriver. You can also use a pick, come down along the edge, and then just gently try to pry, and then we should be able to lift this up and off of the bracket. There's one. Do the same on the other side here. Now once you have that up, we're going to carefully go ahead and turn it upside down, and you can see that you have a vacuum hose here, and you also have an electrical connector. Go ahead and grab onto that hose, give it a little wiggle. We'll pull that right off of there. Now we can come over to this. There should be a tab that you can grab onto with your thumb and just kind of pop that off. Ours looks like it's broken. Obviously it's an old truck. Go ahead and pull that right off. Every time you remove an electrical connector, give it a quick inspection. If you see any funny colors, it's corrosion and it would need to be dealt with. This one looks fine, so I can set it aside. All right, now we can get ready to install our brand new map sensor. You can see the spot that we need to connect in our electrical wiring. Let's do that first. Carefully grab onto that. We'll slide it into position. Now at this point, you're going to want to listen for a click, assuming you have that tab, and that would essentially mean that it's locked. If you don't have the tab, just go ahead and use a wire tie or something just to hold it on there. The next thing we're going to do is go ahead and plug in this right here. Slide that right on until it's nice and tight. Double check it. It needs to be tight because there is vacuum that comes through here. Now we're just going to go ahead and slide it down over these tabs on the front and the rear of the bracket. There we are. Latch it in. Make sure it's secure. Okay, so this is looking good. We can go ahead and put the rest of the engine back together. Let's grab that air filter housing, slide it right down on here. Go ahead and put in your air filter. And now put on the cover the same way that you took it off. Ours in particular, somebody put it upside down, so I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing. Grab those wing nuts, start them both on, bottom them out. Double check it, make sure this is completely secured. Okay friends, we got our map sensor in there. What's left to do now? Now typically you're going to want to go ahead and hop inside the passenger compartment, start up the vehicle. Let it run for a little while. After it's run for a short while, make sure you don't have a check engine light, shut the hood, take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.